Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell to get all the notification alerts for when I upload. This video is basically about me kind of picking up my house and tidying up my house because we have a project going in the kitchen, and when there's projects, the house can get kind of neglected. And so I'm just kind of straightening up the house. I'm even doing some dusting, and that glove there that I was kind of showing you guys, that's like I guess like a car wash buffer type of thing, but I'm using it to dust my house. I just put it on and I go around dusting and everything. So I was trying to show you guys the dust, but there was really no dust on there. So anyway, but back to what I was saying. So we're doing a project in the kitchen, and therefore the house is kind of getting a little neglected. So I'm just kind of going to the house, go around the house, and just kind of doing, some cleaning and some dusting and some vacuuming and just getting it tidied and picked up and all that stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gives you some motivation to get up off the couch or whatever the case may be, to do some cleaning in your home. I'll probably be doing a lot of voiceovers once I get the video ready to be posted on my kitchen. So anyway, I'm sure I'll be talking more on that. But anyway, in the meantime, I will play some music for you guys, and I will say bye to you for now. And anyway, just thank you for watching my video, and just thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, bye guys. Okay, so here's the overall look. Everything's clean in here. And I cleaned the shower. I don't think I cleaned the shower like in a video in a while, so I went ahead and did it. So it's pretty clean on the inside. I think I see some fingerprint smudges here. I didn't clean that, but anyway, inside the shower is what counts. So it's clean. And I didn't do anything to the toilet closet because I really don't need it. It stays clean. And in my bedroom, it's kind of clean. I did have clothes kind of strewn around or whatnot, and so I did that. But anyway, here's an overall look at what it looks like. And my carpet is starting to look bad again. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to keep carpet clean. But I am gonna go over it, like a few spots and everything. I don't know if I'll film it or not, but there's some spots that need to be cleaned. But other than that, I'm not gonna worry about it. Hang on one second, guys. Okay, so I dusted this cabinet right here because it's pretty dusty. And the living room is picked up, vacuumed. Just wanted to show you guys an overall look of everything.